Once again, we'll look at our 6 core development tools to see what might be useful in solving our trigger. First up, variables, which as usual will definitely be helpful. Then collections. Maybe we can store our secret keywords in a collection and use that somehow to our advantage. I might not know exactly how yet, but I make a mental note for later. Next up, dot notation. There are so many dot notation methods that it's easy to get overwhelmed, but I try to narrow down some of the most important requirements of this trigger, and I know it's important to be able to find keywords in our case description. Luckily, there's a dot notation method for this. It's called the contains method, and it's an instance method of strings that lets us know if our string contains certain text. I'm sure this will be useful for us. Now, if statements. Right off the bat, I recognize that if our case contains one of the secret keywords, we need to take appropriate action and create a child case. If not, we don't need to do anything. Loops. Whenever we use a collection, there's a good chance we'll also use a loop. Earlier on, we noted we might have a collection containing each of our secret keywords. We could theoretically loop across this collection, then for each keyword, use our contains dot notation method to see if our case description includes it. I think we're getting onto something here. Finally, DML. Since we'll be creating a child case if a secret keyword is found, we'll definitely use DML to insert the child case. I know we use DML because the child case is not part of trigger.new, so we'll need DML to save it. At this point, I feel like I have enough of a plan to start coding. Time to open up our coding editor of choice.